guys, so we're looking at some eccentric scapular rows. We're looking in sort of the more vertical plane. So the reason I'm doing this is I've got a client who struggles with scapular rows. So when you're hanging off the bar and then literally just squeezing the scapula down and then relaxing it, okay, she's having a little bit of shoulder trouble with this. So what we've done is we've brought it back to doing it with a band, so the same movement, just slowing it down in one of the portions. And what we found is actually when she took it from this to going then straight back onto the scapular rows, the pain actually changed completely. So this is a good way that if you're struggling with the scapular rows, then have a go at this, get these done first. You know, I think we did about 6 to 8 reps and then retest it, and it worked really well. So what I got her to do and what I'm going to get you to do is we're looking at keeping the elbow bent. So I'm going to use this hand, okay, so just using a band over the pull-up bar, and what I'm going to do is use both hands to pull this down, so get it nice and tight, get lots of resistance on, and the idea being that you want the band to think about literally throwing you back up, so you need a lot of resistance on this. So pull the band down with both hands, okay. So from here now, what I'm going to do is I'm tucking this elbow in nice and tight, and I'm drawing this shoulder down, okay. Now what you can do is if you imagine that you've actually got a balloon underneath the side of your waist and between your elbow, and you're squeezing that down nice and tight, okay. And what I'm feeling is that my shoulder blade is really pushing downwards. From here now, the band again wants to take me up, so I'm going to do this nice and slowly, again trying to work on that scapula, on that shoulder blade, and let it come up nice and gently and controlled, okay. It's gone all the way up, and again I'm going to bring it down with both hands, and again I'm going to do the same thing. So I'm squeezing as tight as I can, and I'm really slowly letting it come back up. Again, I'm thinking squeezing as if I've still got that balloon underneath. I'm still squeezing it, but then it starts to release a little bit more, okay. You're going to need to maybe adjust the resistance bands that you've got. Get it as tough as you can. Again, you want the band to really think about pulling you up, and you're having to control it. So it's an eccentric movement, so it means it's basically the muscles are still contracting but they're lengthening at the same time. And again, this works really well. So have a go and see how you get on.